Some might say that I'm a loner, but I just call it being free. I am my heart's only owner.
Hey everyone, I'm Calvin with Southern Country Living.
And I'm Marie.
We hope everyone's doing great today. Today here in Northwest Georgia, the sun is just shining beautiful and the temperature is in the low 60s. So it's going to be a wonderful day. We're going to have a little fun today. Marie's going to tell you all about what we're doing today.
Yes, we're going in Longhorns and eat. Calvin asked me where did I want to eat at for Valentine's Day. And I said, I like Longhorn and I also like Olive Garden. But I said, I think I want to go to Longhorns today. So that's where we're going. And we're going to go thrifting. And we had thought about going to the movies, but there wasn't anything that really interested us this week. And so we're going to put that off to another date. And but I do want to go thrifting today. And there is a new thrift store out in this area where we're at, and so that's what we're going to also do today. So we'll bring you along with us.
Monday morning blues, I open my eyes and I'm greeted by a cute little smile. The world is new with you by my side. Everything is beautiful. Tuesday afternoon, I'm calling you home just to hear your voice on the phone. I think of you and I'm not alone. You are everything under the sky so blue. I found my piece of heaven, spending my days with you. You are my piece of heaven. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, life is a bliss. Waking up with you in my arms, I've got it all, nothing's amiss. Everything is beautiful. Sunday morning snooze with breakfast in bed, and I listen to the song in my head. It sings of you and the things that you do, 'cause you're everything under the sky so blue. I found my piece of heaven.
This right here is their strawberry salad that I love when I come out here. It has strawberries on it, grapes, oranges, feta cheese, pecans, everything that makes a salad great.
Hey Marie, what you got today?
Chopped steak, loaded baked potato, and I've already showed my salad. It was delicious.
Okay, and I'm having the chopped steak. I'm going to put a little A1 seasoning on mine and a baked potato. Looks good, don't it?
It does. And mine's delicious. Okay, we just came out of Longhorns and we had a delicious meal. Everything was good. We had a great waiter. And so now I think we're heading out to the thrift store, aren't we, Calvin?
Yeah.
So y'all come along and go with us.
Okay, we're here at it's called America's Thrift Stores, and this is in the old building that used to be the Big Lots building, and we thought this was located down in another location, and we went there first, and that is actually an antique store now called Hodgepodge. So Marie, someday we'll have to make a trip back out here and go to the Hodgepodge antique store because it looked pretty good. It's a big store, wasn't it?
Yes.
But apparently this is a pretty busy place here. I've already watched about 10 people walk in just while I was getting the camera ready for us to record this. So I imagine it's going to be crowded in there, but we will record as much as we can. We had heard this was a good place to come to, and I talked to our granddaughter Holly, and Holly loves to go to thrift stores. And she said, yeah, Pop, I think you'll like it. She said, I think she said she's already been out here about 15 times since they opened it up. And she said sometimes the prices are real good and sometimes the prices are high. It just depends on what you're looking at. So we're going to go in and check it out. Y'all come with us and see how you like it.
I just wanna go out and walk with you. Baby, you know I just like to talk with you. You don't have to tell me anything that's new. I just wanna go out and walk with you. I just wanna see your shadow next to mine, sailing over pavement with our two outlines.
This is a big store, isn't it, Marie? We've been here plenty of times as Big Lots, but looks a lot different the way they got it set up. Okay, let's look around and see what we can find.
You think those would fit, Edison?
I don't know, Marie. Can you get by there?
Sir.
Lord. It's here, family. Okay. Chris. All the record albums are $2. That's a good price. I just didn't see anything that interests me.
Valentine section here.
Hi. This is Maggie Valley, North Carolina. It's cute. We've been there before. Where do you find them? Where do you find the prices?
You have to look on each individual item. How much was that?
$6.99.
They've got everything organized real good, and everything's got a price on it. You just have to look for it. There's so much to look at here. I didn't see any used cameras. I just met a real nice Christian man over there when I was in the electronics department. And it turns out he lives out there real close to us. He only lives about 2 or 3 miles from where we live.
Oh, great.
And, what's the price on those?
3.
$3.89.
Yeah.
It's a good price on them. Everything's got different prices, so you just have to look, don't you? Okay, and here's the toy section, and they have got a lot of toys here. And they've got everything displayed real nice. Let me go down this truck.
That's a nice camera. How much is that?
Okay, and here's some more toys. That's the second person that's approached me about her camera setup. And he was getting ready, he wanted to start a YouTube channel his own self. So he was asking questions about it. But got a lot of good toys here. Okay, let me go back over here and find Marie, see where she's at. And she's back over here looking at clothes. They've got a big clothing department. Marie, you have any luck finding anything you want?
Yeah, I'm finding some knocking around stuff. Whoops. Do I want to get this one or not? I like this one, it's cute. It says, all you need is love and a dog. But it's like it. Let's see. I like this one. I love New York. It's $2.59. I'm starting to get tired, so I think I'm going to go home and I'll show you what I got when I get home. And it's such a big store, we didn't even go through half of it. But I'll have to come another day when I haven't already been out doing a lot. Okay, y'all, I'm going to show you what I got at the American Thrift store today. I would have stayed longer. We only covered half of the store because yesterday I had to go to the doctor, and I had a sinus infection, and so I'm still not feeling my best from that. I did get a steroid shot yesterday, but I'm going to show y'all what I got out there. I think I got some good deals, and it's called the American Thrift Store, and I'm going to be making another trip out there, but I'm going to try to cover the whole store when I do go. But anyway, here's what I got. I got this cute little shirt. It says I love New York, and it was $2.59. Thought that was a good deal. Then I got this shirt right here also for $2.59. And then I got this t-shirt right here for $2.59. And then I got this white tee. It was $2.59. They had a lot of good things out there. I just wish that I felt like seeing all of it. But this one right here, it's a Myrtle Beach one. It costs $2.59. And then I just got these right here to wear around the house in the summertime. They're $4.89. And then these right here are $3.89. I like good, comfortable clothes to wear around the house, so that's why I got these right here. These right here are $2.98. And this is $3.89. And these leopard style pants here are $3.89. And these right here are $3.89. And then these right here are $4.89. And these light purple ones are $2.49. And so I got all of this for $45. So I think I did pretty good. I got enough clothes now that are comfortable and leisure wear, and that's what I like. So thank you for coming along with us today. And I hope y'all have a fantastic day and do what you love and love what you do. And we'll see you on the next video. Bye.
I just wanna go out and walk with you. Baby, you know I just like to talk with you. You don't have to tell me anything that's new. I just wanna go out and walk with you.